Hello devs, how are you all? We are going to set up Vite with Tailwind CSS and React. Okay, let's see. Okay, first open our folder and let's open it in VS Code and open new terminal first. Okay, now we are going to run npx create Vite at the rate latest and then tailwind editor name of the folder. You can give it any name. I am giving it this and just go to React and then select JavaScript. Okay, now our Vite project is ready. Okay, let's go to the folder and open it in VS Code. Okay, now open terminal and let's do npm install first to install all the node modules. Until it is installing, we are going to search for tailwindcss.com. See, this is the latest version of the Tailwind CSS, that is version 4, and lots of things changed. So first step, we are going to install Tailwind CSS and Tailwind CSS Vite. Before it, the Tailwind CSS and was installed as a dev dependencies, but now it is installed as dependencies only. Now add Tailwind CSS from @tailwind CSS Vite and add it to plugins. Okay, Control C and Control V. Step 2 completed. Okay, now let's see what is the step 3. Step 3 is to import Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's import it in our index.css. Okay, let's first run the project to see how is this style now, because we are going to change the style. So let's do it. Count 1 2. This is looking much better. We are going to destroy it soon. Okay, remove all of these and import Tailwind CSS here, and also remove all of these from app.css. Done. See, our code is broken now and the style is gone. Okay, remove useless things which we don't need for this demonstration. So just we are going to content here and let's apply some Tailwind CSS here. Okay, let's see the documentation and use this pre-given code. Text reaction, font bold and underline. Okay, let's do class name and add it to here. Okay, done. Control S and let's add bg black. Here we are seeing that there is no suggestions. I have already installed the Tailwind CSS intelligence for suggestion, but it's not showing the suggestion. Let's fix it later, but it is working fine. bg black works. Okay, first let's fix our extension. bg text red 200. Let's see. Yeah, it's working, but not giving the suggestion yet. Okay, let's do it 500 for better result. Yeah, counter looking good now. Let's go to Tailwind intelligence. Tailwind CSS intelligence. Okay, disable it and just enable it again. Okay, let's see. Is it working or not? Oh, sorry, I cut. Okay, still not working. Yeah, it works. It works. Okay, now we don't have to do anything else. It is working fine. Let's change some more styles. BG yellow 400, 300, 300. Okay, yeah, done. Working good. Let's add some style here too. Height 200 pixel and width 200 pixel. Okay, and then border 2, border black. Okay, now see how it looks. It looks good, not very good. Frontend for Excel. Let's see. Yeah, everything is working fine. Justify center, item center. See the result. Yeah, it's working good. Okay, let's remove all of these. We only keep the button and then remove everything. Okay, remove it and also remove. Okay, let's style the button a little. You can style it in a greater way. I am just showing that classes are working fine. Okay, px py1. Okay, border, no, rounded. Excel. Text white. Okay, let's see, is it working? Yes, it is working. Count is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, done. Between center. It's no use here. Okay, let's remove these all things for now. We don't need it. We have already seen how to style everything using Tailwind CSS. Go through the documentation and just apply whatever you want to apply. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, now let's see one more thing. How to extend our classes in Tailwind CSS in this new version. Before there is a Tailwind config file, but in the latest version there is no Tailwind config file. Then how we will gonna extend the classes? Let's see. Let's go through some documentation and see is there something. Upgrade guide. No, there is nothing. We don't need it. Okay, okay. Let's find something useful. Uh, There are lots of options with Tailwind CSS. You can apply any style with it. You should check the documentation. You can't learn it totally, so just always rely on documentation. Don't need to be over smart or don't need to be so much intelligent. Just whenever you forward something, go to the documentation, see it, apply it. That's all. Okay, let's search it. um, I don't think we need to search. Let's go to, sorry, we don't want to go to components. You can explore that too. There are many components based on Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's go to with and see what is there. Is there any custom option? Spacing and everything. Okay, here this is the custom value option. Let's see how is it working. By giving a square bracket, and second one is by using CSS variable. See, now we can use CSS variable directly in our Tailwind CSS classes. Let's see how to define CSS variable, and then we are going to use it in Tailwind classes. Okay, let's search. Go to the chat GPT and search for CSS variable. Okay, enter. Okay, this gave us some CSS variable. We are going to use the main color. Okay, let's define it in our index.css, and we are going to use main color variable. Okay, app, and let's change this bg yellow, bg and curly. Let's see, is it working? Yes, it is working fine. This is a great feature in version 4. Okay, that's all then. You can explore it more if you want. There are lots of things to know. Okay then, bye devs. Good night. Thank you for watching.